Hello, I'm going to be playing a game called Eternium. I want to show you how to beat Garm the Keeper. With his abilities, he can kill even the toughest heroes within seconds. People have a big problem with one of his abilities called Poison Nova. For those who don't know how to battle off this creature, here's how to kill him off. First, we need to know what he can do. He can attack with his head and has 3 abilities. All abilities have a damage over time, or after receiving the blow, you still reduce life. The first ability is Poison Breath, which is shown when a huge arrow points at your direction, along with a circle surrounding him. The second is Poison Nova, where he tries to send poison in every area of himself. The last one is Aftershock. This ability will attack the 2 circles that are shown near the dragon. These 2 circles are critical in defeating the dragon. Remember, this tutorial is best for heroes who don't have enough toughness, but it is meant for everyone. The first ability is called Poison Breath. The words can be noticed up above just before the attack happens. There is a circle that surrounds the dragon just before he gives his breath, whose direction is given with a large arrow pointing there. Don't try to take in its damage by staying in the zone. You will not survive. The circle surrounding the dragon stuns you, or makes you immobile for a few seconds. Avoid these areas at all costs. The next ability is Poison Nova. Many people don't understand how to survive this ability, and as a result, die. When the ability is unleashed, there are 2 circles beside the dragon. The orange one increases your damage by 200%, while the blue one heals you up. When Nova comes, go into the blue circle until it is gone. The last ability is Aftershock. This ability can be taken by some heroes, but not all. The words can also be noticed upwards, and Garm will fly up during the ability for a few seconds. The 2 circles that provide healing and a damage buff would blow up once he reaches the ground, which can be noticed as those 2 circles are surrounded by a red lining. Try to avoid these 2 circles when the ability happens, because many people cannot survive it. Now that I've shown you and told you how to beat Garm, I hope you've learned how to defeat this baffling creature. Bye!